Hello, today I'm going to show you how to start your Mazda CX-5 when the key battery is dead. When starting the engine by holding the transmitter of the push button start due to a dead key battery or a malfunctioning key, be careful not to allow the firing, otherwise the signals from the key will not be received correctly and the engine may not start. Metal parts of the key or metal objects touch the key. Spare keys or keys for other vehicles equipped with an immobilizer system touch or come near the key. It's really easy there if you have a dead battery inside the remote. The only thing you have to do, continue to depress the brake pedal firmly until the engine has completely started. Continue to depress the clutch pedal firmly when the engine has completely started. Verify that the push button starts indicates the light green flash. Then touch the push button start using the back set of the key. While the push button starts, indicate the light flashes. And then you can push and start the engine. That means if you have a dead battery inside your key, replace it, of course, but you do not have a key battery now. Then take the key, hold it in front of the starting push, then push and hold the start stop engine button, and of course continue pushing down the clutch pedal, then the engine will start automatically. When nothing, the push button starts using the back side of the key as you did that. Touch the push button start with the lock switch side of the key facing up. Verify that the push button start indicator lights green turns on. Press the push button start to start the engine immediately, but keep pushing until the engine is started. The engine cannot be started unless the clutch pedal is fully depressed. Take care of that. Or the brake pedal if you have an automatic transaxle. So you can see it's really easy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.